Can I have your jacket? Okay, just give me your jacket, because we are going to test the quality of your jacket. Just all you have to do is to give me your jacket, okay? Fantastic. Don't be shy, give it a try. Now, let's do something together in this way. So, if you open a little bit, everyone will see what is going to happen. Now, to test the quality of your jacket, we will lose some fire, okay? Cool, I love this. Now, please do what I do. Okay, from the left. Now, make a hole in the jacket, perfect. Dig inside. Go inside, don't worry. Nothing will bite. Okay, now I know that you like it, but you have to remove the fingers. Okay, fantastic. Those are my hands. Now, to test the quality of the clothes, we will use some fire and have here a cigarette. So, first of all, you have to know that you smoke cigarette with your eyes. You put in your eyes and they come from the mouth. Now, let's put a cigarette inside the jacket. Is it on, right?
Fake cigarette.
And now we put the cigarette inside the jacket. In this way. Now, if the jacket is good, nothing will happen. The problem is, if the jacket is not good, doesn't matter, it was not good since before, correct? So I have to be honest, once this trick didn't work, it's the second time that I'm trying to do the trick, okay? Those are my hands, just need the lighter is here. So, did you get distracted? Anyone has seen anything strange in his hand? Some fire, something? I know that seems unbelievable, but if you blow the jacket, blow here, the cigarette disappears and complements, because you have bought a very nice quality jacket.
Oh.
Cool, but this is just the beginning. Let's pass. Okay, let's go a little bit deeper. Okay, let's scale up. You know, sometimes clothes and things, they can also have those insects that they are eating the fabric, right? So I want to show you a way to check it if those insects are or not in your boss jacket. So come a little bit here. Fantastic. Now please hold the jacket in this way. Okay? Like a torero, like in Spain, when they do this, okay? But you have with your hand, look your jacket from the other side. Look from this other side. Cool. Stay steady, don't move it, okay? Perfect.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Before we use fire, and now we use a knife. So now please do what I ask, because I have the knife, okay? Okay, stay steady and look at the jacket from the other side. This way. Please do what I ask. Okay. I'll give you that. Can you come here? Yeah, you. Okay, you that you turn. Yeah. No, come. Cool.
This ain't my jacket.
Okay, where my jacket? Okay, fantastic. Now he's scared from knives. Are you scared from knives? Cool. Also because there is nothing to be scared. The jacket is of him. So sorry, not my jacket. So please look from this other side, like this. Please don't move it. A little bit like this. Okay, stay steady. Don't move it from this position. I explain how it works. If you open a little bit, also the other people can see. Okay?
Come back.
See that if you sit down, you allow to other people to see. Just sit to the floor. It's better. Okay? You are more comfortable. Better? Any better? Good. Now, the way we check the quality is like this. We do one hit with the knife in the newspaper and one on your jacket. Okay? One on the newspaper. I said stay steady. Okay? Don't move it, okay? Don't get me angry. Okay, one here, and one on the jacket. One here, and one on the jacket. One here, and one on the jacket. One here, and now when you do that, you have to remember that there is always the opportunity to do one from this other side.
Oh my god.
Okay? Now, seems unbelievable. The point is, if the jacket is good, nothing happens. If not, doesn't matter. Was not good since before, correct? Do you like also more modern jackets, the one with the holes? No. Young people, they used to have. So, children, do you have any magical word that we can use?
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra, come on, it's too old. Anything more updated?
Knife.
Knife. Okay, until 3 and say knife. 3, 2, 1.
Knife.
Good. It must work because the knife passed and we don't have any hole to the jacket. Well, thank you so much. You can give this back. No, but you stay with me. I like you. You are very magical. No, you are very magical because you know I can see the future here.
আপনার আমার সিলেট টু লন্ডন সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবা না আর ঘন্টি তো অবশ্যই অন করতে ভুলবা না নতুন নতুন ভিডিও দেখার লাগি ধন্যবাদ।